addressing the climate crisis in our region by providing the programs and projects that reduce the harmful effects of greenhouse gas emissions. Energy efficiency upgrades for lower income families, renewable energy installations, water conservation, and clean transportation programs all help our communities lighten their carbon footprint. We're working for a healthy planet and for future generations. The world has changed, but 4Corps remains focused on our mission and the critical services that provide cost and energy savings. When the global pandemic is behind us, the underlying climate crisis still persists. The impact of COVID has necessarily diverted resources and attention. Air quality is compromised, drought, record heat, fires, and floods are increasing. By acting locally, 4Corps' programs provide measurable CO2 reductions. As an organization that has been serving our communities for over 12 years, we've gone through changes. This time has presented challenges that require new tools, training, and technology. We moved our outreach and presentations online, and we're taking the necessary steps that will effectively engage our program participants, donors, and sponsors. What do we need? Community. We need you and community engagement, funding, and sponsorship support for our programs. We need the tools and technology to safely deliver the education and presentations to meet our goals and continue our work tackling the climate crisis. Won't you help us continue this essential work? Thanks from all of us at 4Corps. You can find us at www.fourcore.org.